On today's episode, a growing business. Tuturuan tayo ng ELISA Farm sa General Santos City kung paano pumasok sa sheep breeding and fattening, mga requirements at practices sa pagtutupa at inang makikita. This portion is brought to you by ELISA Farm. Cattle and hog are the common livestock businesses in the country because of its meat-producing qualities. Even goat is making its way into our diet. But recently, sheep meat has started to gain a good reputation in the market. Learn why this is a viable business with the help of ELISA Agribusiness Corporation. In general, there are only two types of sheep, wool and meat type. But in tropical countries like the Philippines, sheep farming will almost automatically mean sheep fattening.
Kumbaga yung market ng wool hindi viable kasi it took us to many process. Then wala man nagabili na sa atin ng wool dito kasi we're in a tropical region man. Hindi marketable talaga yung wool dito. Dito, manotice mo yung sheep natin, although meron siyang by nature natural yung wool niya, dito natatanggal yan dahil sa init. Gina-adapt na yung environment natin kasi we're in tropical region.
There are two types of sheep here at ELISA Farm, the Dorper and Damara. Dorper was developed in 1946 in South Africa by mating the Dorset horn rams with black Persian ewes. It is fast-growing, heavy-muscled, hairy sheep. It can weigh from 40 to 45 kilos. The breed is best adapted to hot climate. It has an even distribution of a thin layer of fat. Mas malapit ito sa tao o sa mga nag-aalaga nito kaysa sa Damara. Damara, on the other hand, was originated from Eastern Asia and Egypt. Ang Damara ay mas mataas at mas mahaba ang pangangatawan. It is long-legged and has a fat tail. The color of its hair varies from black, brown, white, or all combination of these. They are predominantly horned sheep. Damara can also adapt in hot climate. Paunti-unting tumataas ang demand sa sheep bilang meat diet ng mga Pilipino na kadalas ay high-end restaurants ang pinagdadalhan nito.
So far, dahil sa price ng sheep meat, medyo doon tayo naapektuhan medyo kasi may kamahalan talaga ang sheep meat.
Compared sa goat, mas madaling alagaan ng sheep dahil hindi ito sakitin. Mababa ang mortality rate nito. Mas mataas din ang timbang nito. Sheep have better mother instincts than goat. Sheep also gives birth as much as goat.
Every year, twice siya manganak. Sometimes, isang birthing niya, makakuha ka ng twins.
Mas malinis din ang sheep. Mas madali ring linisin ang kanilang kulungan.
Easy siya i-handle, domesticated animals. Simple lang siya alagaan. Wala siya masyado sakit, tapos good mothering yung sheep. Magaling siya mag-alaga ng bata, ng anak niya.
The location on where to establish the farm is important for easy access of food supplies.
Una-una, the first thing is you must have a good place, a strategical location that near to food supply, and not nearby houses and area so that you can have a water treatment facilities.
Ang bilang ng sheep na aalagaan ay mahalaga rin. Magsimula lamang sa 5 ewes o inahin at isang bulugan.
The best to start is 5:1. Yung isang lalaki, 5 babae. That is para sa pinaka the best na to start off, hindi masyado marami, hindi rin masyadong konti so that you can handle the animal.
Just like ELISA Farm, creating market for your sheep is important to have a successful sheep business.
Nung nag-start kami ng marketing, we try to have a sampling. Naglapit kami doon sa mga establishment na which they are selling goat meat. Then we give them our sheep meat for differentiation and price-wise. At first, medyo mahirap talaga i-penetrate. Then, little by little, through perseverance of marketing, nakuha talaga namin yung market ng paunti-unti ngayon. Yung market namin ngayon medyo slowly going up.
Ang return of investment may take 2 years. Mababawi naman ang puhunan at maintenance cost nito dahil sa mataas ang average daily growth ng sheep.
Return of investment, I think, more than a year, less than 2 years. Profit-wise, okay. Kasi ang una-una yung maintenance cost niya, maliit lang. Yung cost, hindi masyado komplikado yung operation. Hindi siya susceptible sa sakit. Maganda yung average daily growth niya. Ngayon, wala nang problema kasi nag-peak na yung market natin. Importante talaga market talaga. Kasi kahit gaano kalaki yung product mo, kung wala rin market, wala din tayong profit.
This portion was brought to you by ELISA.